So here's the specifics of like my project and how it works. The main three concepts to focus on is um, the fact that I'm inputting variables, I'm finding a certain data path, I'm computing the signal to noise ratio over here. So I had to kind of follow a tutorial on M&E documentation, and by following this documentation, I was able to learn how to calculate the signal to noise ratio. So as shown here, SNR stands for signal to noise ratio. I was able to correlate it with certain melatonin values, although these are not exactly accurate. There's just to hold as placeholder values, and then I was able to provide a recommendation. So let's see this in action. So my name, subject number, and subject type, and just type in, sorry, subject number, session type, and just type in values like this, and which sleep schedule would you like to follow. I'm just gonna stay 7 hours. I feel like that's suitable for me. So right now it's doing a Maxwell filter. So it's able to calculate and actually improve the quality of the data by filtering out and removing the bad channels. So now it's done. It's age. I haven't calibrated for below 18, so I'm just gonna put 18. It's the raw file. Now what it's doing is that it's focusing on generating the report by calculating the signal to noise ratio for this data path. And here we are. So this is of course not my data, because again this is back in 2002, and this was a sample raw file. Here's some EEG data from that sample raw file that we're able to filter out, and can move the slider and we will get a changed version of the data. And finally, sleep recommendations provided at the end based on my melatonin value that was calculated. So looks like it wants me to stay hydrated and limit exposure to blue light. So that's some important tips. And the main thing that kind of works is this, because I think over here I get my signal to noise ratio value to be about 41, and because it's 41, my correlated value is 75, and because my correlated value is 75, it's checking if it's 75. If it's true, it's going to run this function here. It's going to give me this recommendation so I can stay hydrated, limit the exposure to blue light, and it's going to save it in the recommendation. It's an easy way to kind of show recommendations to individuals, allow him or her to get a lot more aware about their sleep, and so that he or she can actually improve it and just do better. Thank you.